In addition to collecting the work of Italian Renaissance masters and antiquities from around the world, MacKenzie was also a great supporter of local artists. One of his closest friends, in fact, was Inglis Sheldon-Williams, a British-born artist who came to Canada as part of the Cannington Manor experiment, went back to England, got art training, and then came back in 1913 to be the first artist to teach at Regina College. MacKenzie and Sheldon-Williams both shared an interest in the frontier experience. And in fact, we have a description of the two of them going out onto the Albert Street Bridge in the middle of a howling storm and standing there taking in the sublime experience of a prairie blizzard. And it's perhaps for that reason that MacKenzie was attracted to this painting by Inglis Sheldon-Williams entitled The Blizzard, in which we see a group of horses huddled together against the forces of the storm, and in the lower right corner, a snowy owl flying out towards the viewer, the very spirit of the storm.